Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the keep awake mode on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the tools section you can find the settings option. At the left side on the screen, go to the cruise mode options, and in the keep awake section you can find the always default, at sailing or always, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.